The Gary Brecka Diet is a holistic approach to nutrition, emphasizing balance and wellness. It is designed to optimize health by focusing on nutrient-dense foods and mindful eating habits. Central to the Gary Brecka Diet are its core principles: balance, moderation, and nutrient density. It encourages eating whole, unprocessed foods while minimizing sugar and refined carbohydrates. This approach supports overall well-being and vitality. The diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Recipes are crafted to be both nutritious and delicious, ensuring meals are satisfying and health-promoting. This variety helps maintain interest and adherence. A unique aspect of the Gary Brecka Diet is the 30-30-30 principle. This involves consuming 30 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbohydrates, and 30 grams of healthy fats in each meal, promoting balanced nutrition. For individuals with diabetes, the Gary Brecka Diet can be particularly beneficial. Its focus on low glycemic foods and balanced macronutrients helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The Gary Brecka Diet offers a comprehensive approach to health, emphasizing balance and nutrient density. By following its principles, individuals can enhance their well-being and manage specific health conditions effectively.